First five, please. Both teams, first five. Start of the second game between Team Tata versus Team Ram.
Takin lang tayo sir, takin lang po.
Players stuck in, please. Team Rambol. Number 13 inbounds to Corpus. Number 13 setting up a play. Floaters, no good. Rebound by number 12. Number 12, fast break opportunity. Turnover. Same ball. Number 12 inbounds to passes to number 24. Sinusukat ang depensa. Pass to number 12, 10 to shoot. Number 6, mid-range pull up. 2 points. Number 13, pass to number 3. Kicks out to number 1 for 3. Short. White ball. Number 24 setting up a play for his teammates. Calls a screen. Kicks out to number 12. 12 drives, layup. No good. Rebounded by number 1. Kicks out to his teammate number 12. Layup, 2 points by number 13. Number 2, Gakuya. What a nice traveling. Number 3, pass to number 13. 4-3. Bang! Number 13, 3 points. Number 2 being harassed by khaki jerseys. Kicks out to his teammate number 12. Layup, no good. Kick out pass to number 3. Another fast break opportunity for khaki. Number 13. Spin move. Pass to number 77. Mid-range, no good. Rebounded by his own teammate. Number 13. 10 to shoot. Mid-range, pull up, block by number 6. 13, another 3-point attempt. No good. Number 2, Gakuya. Binababa ang bola. Being harassed by number 3. Looking for his teammate. Pass to the corner. Number 24. 10 to shoot. Screen by number 6. Drop pass. Stolen. Foul. Number 12, that's your first personal foul. Corpus kicks out to number 1. Easy 2 points by number 1. Number 12, crossover. Drop pass, binalik sa kanya, layup. No good. Rebounded by number 19. Number 19 looking for his teammate. Number 13, Ramos. Ramos kicks out to number 3, fakes. Ang laki ng bantay. Easy daw muna. Stolen by number 6. Pass to number 2. Sidestep, layup. No good. Rebounded by number 2 again. Number 15. Sidestep. Foul. Number 19. That's your first personal foul. First team foul. 15. First try. Basket. Second try, no good. Khaki jerseys being harassed by white jerseys. Ramos, pass to number 3, setting up his teammate. Number 13, Ramos for 3. No good. Rebounded by number 1. Another pull-up. No good. Offensive rebound and put back by number 19. White jerseys nagmamadali. Pull-up. No good. Rebounded by number 1. Number 3, dumidiskarte. Titira ba? Waiting for his teammates. Ramos. Pass to number 3. 8 to shoot. 3 seconds violation. Mandatory change 5 for both teams. Official score 3-9 in favor of Khaki Team Ram. Number 3, number 9 bringing down the ball. Pass to 7, stolen by number 22. Fast break opportunity for Team Ram. 22 kicks out at 52. Outside. White ball. Number 0, pass to the corner. Alley-oop pass. What a nice by number 19. Number 25, Torno. Pass to his teammate, number 7. Binalik kay Torno for 3. No good. Rebound by 7. Floaters. No good. White jerseys, fast break opportunity. Another alley-oop pass. Kicks out. Libreng libre. No good. Offensive rebound. 10 to shoot. No good. Offensive rebound again by number 0. Drops pass to number 19. No good. Rebounded again by number 9. Floater. Number 9. 2 points. $25. Bringing down the ball. Pass to corner, number 22. Tries a 3. No good. Rebounded by number 5. Fast break opportunity. Number 5. No good. Rebounds his own shot. Put back. Number 5. 2 points. 25. Babawi. Pass to number 7. 7 hesitates. Drop pass to 25. Mid-range. No good. Rebounded by number 7. Number 7. 3-on-1 fast break. Nice pass to number 5. 2 points. .25 again. Floaters. No good. Rebounded again by number 7. Kick out pass to number 9. Easy layup. Timeout. Team Ram. Official score 13-9 in favor of Team Tata. Back to the ball game. Number 7 looking for his teammates. Calling for a screen. Crossover. Blocked by number 19. 12-second shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot. 25, pass to 22. Floater blocks again by number 19. Outlet pass to number 9. Easy layup by number 9. 25, bring him down the ball. Looking for his teammate. Stolen by number 7. 7, 3-on-1, fast break. Put back layup by number 7. Kaki being harassed by Team White. Same ball. Number 7, Madarang. Dumidiskarte. Pass to number 11. Pass 25 for 3. No good. Rebounded by his own teammate. Put back by number 7. Number 7, Team White. Turnover by number 11. Kaki. Chance for a 2-point. Floater. No good. Rebounded by number 5. Fakes the pass to 7, lays it up, no good. Tips it in. Tries again. 2 points by number 7. .25. Pass to 22. 22 mid-range shot. No good. Rebounded by 7. Another mid-range shot. 2 points by number 7. Number 5. Easy lang daw. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 0, Fahala. Pass to number 19. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebounded by 22. 3 to shoot. That's the end of the first quarter. Official score 19-13 in favor of Team Tata. The ball game.
Sa 5 minutes na yan,
stay lang sila dyan? Or pwede na Hindi pa.
Saril pa rin yan.
Third quarter po yung okay. Bali after 5, may 5 change ulit.
First half, ano pa rin.
White ball. "24 inbounds to number 1. 24 setting up his teammates. Crossover. Stolen by number 13. All alone. Pass to number 14. 2 points by number 13. Number 1 pass to number 01. Brings back to number 1. Drop pass to 24. Foul by number 13. Number 13, Ramos, that's your first personal foul, first team foul. First try, no good. Second attempt by number 24. Basket. 1 of 2 for number 24. Number 8 fakes, pass to number 13. Number 13, pass to 14. 13 again, 10 to shoot. Lays up, no good. Number 3, kicks out to 14 for 3. No good. Rebounded by number 6. Outlet pass to number 24. Fast break opportunity for White. Foul by number 3. Number 3, that's your first personal foul. Second team foul. First attempt by number 17, no good. Second try. Still no good, rebounded by number 3. 13, pass to 14. Brings back to 13, hesitates, sidestep floater, no good, rebounded by number 1, outlet pass to number 24. 24 versus 3 jersey, khaki jerseys, kicks out, not a nice drop pass to number 17, 2 points. Number 8 fakes, pass to number 14 for 3, no good, another rebound for number 1. Number 1 setting up his teammates. 3 points for number 01. No good. Offensive rebound outside. Ramos dumidiskarte. Calls number 8. Set up a screen for number 8. Number 8 fakes. 14 for 3, no good. Rebounded by number 17. Number 1, drop pass outside. Number 13, Ramos, bringing down the ball. Pass to number 8. Naghanap ng papasahan. Drop pass to 3. 10 to shoot. Ramos hesitates. Floater. No good. Rebound by number 1. Outlet pass to 24. Naghihintay nakakapefu. Drop pass. Layup. No good. Rebounded by number 17. Number 6. Pass to 01. Floater. Easy, 2 points. Ramos nagmamadali. Gustong bumawi. Pass to 14. Another 3-point attempt. Still no good for number 14. Mid-range shot. Nilapit. Floater. is good for number 14. Number 24, spin for foul by number 8. Number 8, that's your first personal foul, third team foul. Alley-oop pass to 17, layup, no good. Number 3, 2-on-1 fast break, layup. Number 3, 2 points. Number 24, pass to number 6.
5 minutes.
Number 1, hahanap ng papasahan. Number 6, stolen by number 19. 3-on-1 fast break. Alley-oop, 2 points. Timeout, Team Tata. Official score 24-21 in favor of white jerseys.
5:30 doon, napapalitan na.
Back to the ball game.
Palit ulit ng team, no? 32 seconds.
Last possession. Yung pala na yung point ko.
To 24, bringing down the ball. Pass to number 1. Grab pass stolen by number 19. Fast break opportunity from khaki jerseys. 2 points. No good. Rebounded by number 1. Kicks out to number 24. Alley-oop to 17. Foul by number 3. Change 5. Mandatory change 5 for both teams. Number 3, khaki jersey. That's your second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Seven. Drop pass to number 12. Easy 2 points by number 12. Number 7, dumidiskarte. Screen by 11. Pass to number 12. Torno, fakes, 10 to shoot. Number 1, mid-range pull-up, rebounds his own shot. Bumangga, foul. Foul by number 7. Lorenzo, that's your first foul. First team foul. First try by number 1. Basket. Second try. Two for two for number 1. Number 12 drives, kicks out. Drop pass to 15, 2 points by number 15. Number 25, Torno. Pass to number 1. Tries a tray, no good. White ball. Number 7, pass to the corner. Number 12, drives, lays up. No good. Rebounded by number 19. And 1. Play by number 19. Foul number 11. Number 19 completes his end one play. Number 7, Madarang. Pass to 12. Fakes. Pass to 25. Mid-range pull up. No good. Rebounded by number 1. Put back. Still no good. Another offensive rebound. Number 7. Stolen by number 7. Number 7. Fast break opportunity. Alley-oop play to number 19. Easy floater by number 19. Number 12, crossover, being harassed by white jerseys. Lays it up, no good, rebounded by 19. Solong-solo ni 7. Easy 2 points. Number 25 passes to number 7. Screens by number 1, pass to 25. Binalik kay 7, kicks out to number 12. Number 1 fakes, mid-range pull-up. 2 points for number 1. Easy lang daw. Pass to corner, number 12. 3-point attempt, no good. Rebounded by 7. 7, fast break opportunity. Pass to 12, layup. No good. Rebounded by number 15. Passes to number 12. Number 12, sidestep. No good. Offensive rebound, another try. Still no good. Cocky ball. Number 7. Binalik kay number 12. Number 7, Madarang. 4-3. Outside. What a easy 2 points for number 19. Number 12 hesitates. Drop pass to number 1. Floater. Good for number 1. Cocky ball. Number 19. Lane violation. Number 12. Drop pass to 7. Floater. No good. Rebounded by number 19. Number 7, Dominis Carpe. Crossover. Natapikan. Pass to his corner 12. Drop pass. Floaters. No good. Offensive rebound by 12. Nice defense by number 11. Kaso natapikan. Same. Cocky ball. Number 25, Torno, mid-range pull-up. No good. Rebounded by number 7. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 7, Duminiscarte. Pass to 15, fakes, mid-range, no good. Pull out, put back by 7, no good. Back. The end of the second quarter. Official score 37-27 in favor of Team Tata. of the second half.
Open na po yan na wala nang sub.
Khaki jerseys. Tinatry humabol. Number 12, crossover, kicks out to number 13 for 3. Still no good. Number 5, looking for his teammates. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 6. Post up. Easy 2 points for number 6. Too big, too strong. 12, drop pass to number 13, number 3. Foul by number 9. Number 9, that's your first personal foul. Stolen by number 9. Number 9, fast break. Lays up. No good. Rebounded by 12. Number 12, naghahanap ng kakampi. What a nice pass to number 13. Kaso malaki yung bantay. No, nice drop pass to number 19. 2 points. Number 5, pass to number 0. Pass again to number 6. Stolen by number 13. Being harassed by 2 white jerseys. Nahanap si number 14. Mid-range pull-up. No good. Put back by number 19 again. 8-point lead from Team White. Number 5, drop pass to 19, easy. 17, easy 2 points. Number 12. Number 40 has a screen for number 12. Kicks out to number 13 for 3. Bang! Number 13, 3 points. Number 5, masyadong mataas ang pasa. Rebounded by number 3. Easy 2 points na kay number 3. 5-point lead by white jerseys. Number 6 for 3. Short. Rebounded by number 13. 19 floaters. No good. Rebounded by number 6. Fouled by number 14. Number 14, that's your first personal foul. First team foul. Substitution. Paragas. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 9. Mid-range pull-up. No good. Offensive rebound by 6. Number 9 again. No good. Bodies on the floor. Number 3 again. Lumipad. Foul by number 5. Timeout, Team Ram. Number 5, that's your first personal foul. First team foul. Back to the ball game. Number 3, Marasigan. First try, no good. Jumpers ready. Second attempt, basket. Number 5, passes to number 17. Binalikin number 5, 24. Drop pass to number 17. No good. Rebounded by OG. Foul by number 12. Number 12, that's your first personal foul. Second team foul. 2 attempts for number 17. First shot, basket. Second try. No good. Offensive rebound by OG. Put back by OG. Number 12 being harassed by number 17. Pass to his teammate 25. Stolen by OG. Number 24, fast break opportunity. Stolen by number 19. Marasigan. Pass to 25, Torno for 3. No good. Easy lang daw. Sabi ni number 5. And one play by number 5. Who's foul, ref? Number 25, Torno. That's your first personal foul, third team foul. And one attempt for number 5, no good. Offensive rebound by number 17. 24, libreng-libre. No good. Torno, crossover, foul by number 5. Number 5, second personal foul. Second team foul. Drop pass to number 12. 10 to shoot. 25, mid-range shot, no good. Offensive rebound by 19. Foul by number 19. Number 19, that's your first personal foul, third team foul.
Mag-shoot, kuya. Pag pumasok sa pangalawa.
Last try by number 19. No good. Number 5. Pass to 19, floater. Easy 2 points by number 19. Number 3. Passes to Torno. Pass back to Marasigan. Marasigan kicks out to 12. Fake step back 3. No good. Rebounded by number 19. Pass to number 5. Crossover. 19 recovers the ball. 17 fakes, shoots. 2 points by number 17. Number 12. Turnover. Fast break opportunity for white jerseys. Fake pass. Floaters. No good. 4 versus 2. Fast break. Lays up. Number 13. 2 points. Number 24. Setting up a play. Pass to OG. OG. Pass to 24. Number 5, libreng-libre, short. Kicks out pass to Marasigan, easy. 2 points, timeout. Team Tata. Official score 50-41 in favor of white jerseys. 9-point lead by the white jerseys. Number 7, Lorenzo. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Turnover, stolen by 11. Khaki jerseys. Pass to Gaguya. Number 8, being harassed by number 12. Stolen by number 12. 1v1 fast break layup. 2 points for number 12. What a nice defense by white jerseys. Number 7 hesitates. Mid-range shot, no good. Outlet pass, stolen by number 22. Number 7, binababa ang bola. Pass to his corner. Another turnover and a foul by number 22. Number 22, first personal foul. Fourth team foul. 7, Lorenzo. Pass to number 19, floater. No good. Drop pass to 12, layup. No good. Rebounded by number 19. Looking for his teammates. 15, hesitates. Pull up, no good. Still no good for number 17. Number 7, crossover. Pass to number 8, mid-range pull up, no good. Rebounded by Lorenzo. Lorenzo, fast break opportunity, sidestep. What an acrobatic layup for Lorenzo. Eight fakes. Pass to corner number 7, Corpus. 10 to shoot. 7 mid-range back shot. 2 points. Tries for 3. Short. Rebounded by his own teammate number 19. Still no good. Another offensive rebound for the white jerseys. Naghahanap ng papasahan si number 15. 5 to shoot. Lorenzo for 3. Short. Rebounded by Corpus. Easy lang daw. Pass to Matarang. Behind the back. Kaso kulang sa kakampi. Labas muna daw. 22. Offensive rebound by 11. What a nice drop pass to number 22. 2 points. Number 7, Lorenzo. Passes to number 15. Turnover. Substitution. Number 1 in. Number 17 out. 45 seconds to shoot. 22. Drop pass to number 7, mid-range pull-up. Rebounded by Corpus. 22, step back. 4 shot, no good. Rebounded by number 12. Number 12, fast break opportunity. 4v1, lays it up. Easy, 2 points. 20 seconds to shoot. Matarang crossover, being harassed by number 12. Foul, number 12. Number 12, that's your second personal foul. Fourth team foul. 10 to shoot. Sidestep, layup. Foul by number 19. 0-1. Number 01, that's your first foul. Penalty. Last shot, no good. Rebounded by number 19. Pass to number 01. 2 seconds to shoot. Number 12. Hindi na umabot ang tira. That's the end of the third quarter. Official score 56-46. In Team Tata is still in favor. Back to the ball game. Number 2, dumidiskarte, being harassed by 2 khaki jerseys. Number 0, spin move, no good. Rebounded by number 12, passes to Marasigan. Marasigan lilipad na naman. Drop pass to number 14, no good. Rebounded by Lorenzo. Outlet pass to number 1. No good. Rebounds his own shot. Still no good for number 1. Marasigan again. Floater. 2 points. White being pressed by khaki jerseys. Inbound to number 2. Number 2 loses the ball. Recovers by number 5. Layup. Basket by number 05. Number 12 being harassed by number 2. Pass to Marasigan. Libre. Drop pass to number 19. Kicks out for 3. Still no good. Number 05. Outnumbered by the khaki jerseys. Easy lang daw. Number 2 dumidiskarte. Pass to number 1. Stolen by number 14. 2-on-1 fast break. Marasigan. 2 points. 50-58 in favor of Team White. Lorenzo being harassed, stolen by number 13, drops to number 12, floater, and one play by number 12. Timeout, Team Tata. By Team Tata. Team White, number 7, that's your second personal foul. First team foul. Number 12 to his end one attempt. No good, rebounded by number 1. They are being harassed by Kaki. Another steal by Kaki. But it was a back-to-back turnover. Foul by number 14. Number 14, that's your second personal foul. Team White being harassed. Fakes outside. Number 12, pass to Marasigan. Traveling violation. Substitution ref. Number 24 in. Number 12 in. Number 15 in. Kaki trapping White. Force another turnover. What a nice defense by Team Ram. Number 12, dumidiskarte. Kicks out to number 14. Drop pass. Yun lang, another turnover. White ball. Kaki setting up their trap to Team White. Stolen again by number 12. Outlet pass. Another turnover. Stolen by Lorenzo. Lorenzo fakes, lays up. 2 points for Lorenzo. Number 12 bringing down the ball. Hahanap ng pabasahan. Number 19 screens. Kicks out to 14. Fakes. Stolen by number 12. Number 12 fast break opportunity. Counter steal for number 13. Number 13 kicks out to Marasigan. Blocked by Lorenzo. Marasigan again. 2 points for Marasigan. Lorenzo outlet pass to number 12. Solong solo. Na block ng ring. Rebound by number 19. Marasigan again. Sidestep again. No good. Rebounded by Lorenzo. 2-on-2. Fast break opportunity. Lorenzo spins. Lays it up. Easy 2 points for Lorenzo. Timeout. Team Ram. Official score 62-54. 8-point lead by Team White. Both teams have 2 timeouts left. Back to the ball game. Team Ram, hahabol pa ba? Siyempre, hahabol pa. 3-point attempt, no good. Tries to save. Nice save by number 7. Same ball. 11 to shoot. Another 3-point attempt. Still no good. Rebounded by OG. Kicks out to his teammate number 12. Number 12. Layup. No good. Offensive rebound by 24. Kicks out to number 12. Mid-range. No good. Rebounded by 17. Put back. No good. Rebounded by 13. Outlet pass to number 3. Kaso malaki yung bantay. Number 13. Dumidiskarte. Foul. Number 17. Number 17. That's your first personal foul. Second team foul. 7 behind the back. Foul by number 24. Number 24. First personal foul. Third team foul. What a nice crossover by number 13. Floater. No good. Rebounded by his own teammate, Marasigan. 5 to shoot. Drop pass to 13. No good. Rebounded by OG. 24. Paragas. Easy lang daw. Dumidiskarte. Gather his ball. Looking for his teammate. Stolen by number 12. Number 12. Fast break opportunity. Drop pass to number 3. Yun lang na traveling si number 3. Another turnover for Team Ram. Team Ram setting up their trap again. Mababasag ba ng puti? Same ball. Number 24, drop pass to number 12, drop pass to OG, but he loses the ball, stolen by number 19, outlet pass to 13, Marasigan, easy layup. Number 17, being harassed by 3 khaki jerseys, number 19, pass to OG, too big, too strong, and 1 play. Substitution. Who's foul, ref? 19. That's your second personal foul. OG completed his end 1 play. Number 12. Hahanap ng papasahan. Screen by number 13. Lumay up. Foul by number 12. Number 12, that's your third personal foul. Fourth team foul. First try, basket by number 12. Second try, 2 for 2 for number 12. Another steal by khaki jerseys. Number 7 being harassed by number 15, Ramos. Crossover, pass to Marasigan, fakes, drives, kicks out. Libreng-libre. Short lang. Outlet pass to 15. Di lang nasalo ng ayos. Another turnover for Team White. Number 13, Ramos, gives it to number 12. Hesitates, pass to Marasigan, another traveling violation for number 3, Marasigan. Timeout, Team Ram. Official score 65-58. Team White still in favor. Back to the ball game. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 38 seconds. White being pressed by khaki jerseys. Number 12. Sidestep, no good. Rebounded by number 19. Put back, no good. OG, too big, too strong. Another 2 points for OG. Number 12. Ahead pass to number 13. Number 13 stolen by number 12. 2-on-1 fast break. Solong-solo na. Oy, not good. By number 12. Number 13. Floaters. 2 points for Ramos. Last 2 minutes. OG pass to number 12. Back to OG. OG. 2 points. Number 22. Pass to number 12. Pass to Ramos. 3-point attempt. Bang! Ramos, 3 points. Lorenzo, wait lang daw. Pass to number 12. Pass to OG. Post up. Step back, mid-range jumper, no good. Rebounded by 22. Kaki, fast break opportunity. Lays it up. 2 points for number 12. Timeout. Team Tata. Both teams have 1 timeouts left. Both teams have 1 timeouts left. Back to the ball game. Official score 69-65. Just a 4-point lead.
Full ano raw, full. Full court o back court?
24 daw eh.
24 sila.
Kailangan nila yun.
Nice one. Kaya pa. 1 minute pa yun. Nice one. Nice one.
Number 22 intercepts the pass. Full court press by Team Ram. Number 15 receives the ball. Pass to number 12. Hesitates. Lose the ball. Stolen by number 12. Number 22. Fakes. Floaters. No good. Rebounded by Marasigan. Foul by number 7. Lorenzo. Number 7. That's your third personal foul penalty. Marasigan sinks his first try.
Parang championship na.
Second try by Marasigan. 2 for 2. Marasigan. 2-point lead na lang by Team White. 15. Pass to OG. OG dribbling the ball. Pass to 15. Lorenzo. Lorenzo spins. Floaters. No good. Rebounds his own shot. Another miss by Lorenzo. Ramos. Fast break opportunity. Gathers his ball. Number 12 mid-range shot. Bang! Tie ball game. Number 12 fouled by number 13. Number 13, that's your second personal foul, second team foul. Number 12, being harassed by 13, nalagpasan si number 13, stolen by number 19. Fouled. Penalty. Number 19 for the first lead of the game. Sinks his first try. Basket timeout, basket timeout. Number 19, second try. No good, rebounded by OG. Back to OG, pass to number 12. Number 12 drives. Hesitates to pass to OG. Too big, too strong, and one play by OG. Number 3, that's your third personal foul, third team foul. Will OG complete his and one play? First try, no good. Timeout, Team Ram. Time remaining, 23 seconds. 23 seconds. 1 point lead by Team Tata. Will Team Ram complete their comeback?
penalty na kayo.
Walang foul. Bola.
Half court inbound.
No foul.
Ref.
Wala ng 14 ha. Wala ng 14. Bibilangan na lang. Basta bibilangan ng 14.
Taas kamay.
Basta po nag
9 seconds. Rep, pag nag 9 seconds na lang, wala nang press 14 yan.
Wala tayong 14 dito.
Meron.
Wala tayong
Mamatay na late na eh. Nauna siya yung 24. Nauna yung 24.
Iyanin nyo na lang.
9 seconds.
Iyanin nyo na lang.
9 seconds po ha.
Dolly, Bear.
Pag 9 seconds, ibig sabihin,
Number 19, inbounds to Ramos. Ramos, guarded by OG. OG guards number 12. Number 12 crossover. Foul by number 12. Number 12, that's your
Take time, pare.
fourth personal foul. Number 12, two throws. First try, no good.
Pare, isa lang. Okay lang yan.
Will number 12 ties the game?
Box, isa lang.
Basket.
Press.
71 all. Number 7, Lorenzo. Pass to OG. OG pass to number 15. Intercepted by khaki jerseys. White ball. Timeout. Team Tata. Time remaining 6.9 seconds. 71 all.
Pasok tayo, pasok.
Number 12 will inbound the ball. Will they make a basket? Number 12 looking on. Pass to turnover. 19 stolen. Kicks out pass to number 12 all alone. Foul basket and one by number 12. Oh my God. And one play by number 12 with 0.7 seconds remaining. Free throw violation. We still have a 0.7 second. Number 50 will inbound. Throws it to him. Team Ram completes their comeback win against Team Tata. Number 3, Marasigan. Marasigan with 17 points, 6 rebounds.